it's gon' switch. I know this is God's plan, I won't quit. This is His plan, I won't quit. I was created for this. Yeah, I've been waiting on this. Second guessing is over, I'm getting closer. Every door that was shut, heaven is open. Closed captions on every word spoken. Watching my words cause I'm chosen. And I cannot fail to commit. This is my time and I know it. I gotta show shine brightest in the moonlight. Shine brightest in the nighttime. Been waiting on my time. And it's time for me to shine bright. I was created for this. Yeah, I've been waiting on this. Taking my shot, I won't miss. Taking my shot, it's gon' switch. Oh, this is God's plan, I won't quit. This is His plan, I won't quit. I was created for this. Yeah, I've been waiting on this. I know it took some time for me to see. Yeah, you had to shine your light on me. Yeah, for me to see everything that you see in me. Yeah. Oh God, you looked at me like you looked at David. You saw a king with a shepherd boy's heart. Oh, you saw me right from the start, God. You saw my potential through all of my issues, and you ain't tell me to resign. But wait till the appointed time, till your plan and my purpose align. I was created for this. Yeah, I've been waiting on this. Taking my shot, I won't miss. Taking my shot, it's gon' switch. Oh, this is God's plan, I won't quit. This is His plan, I won't quit. I was created for this. Yeah, I've been waiting on this. Shine brightest in the moonlight. Shine brightest in the nighttime. It's time for me to shine bright. Time for me to shine.